Buying silver online is simple, but the real cost is in the details. The biggest beginner mistake is thinking the spot price is what you'll pay. Your real price includes the dealer's premium and the bid-ask spread, which is the gap between buy and sell prices. And because silver can move minute to minute, your total can change while you're checking out unless the price is locked. Add payment clearance time, insured shipping, and the fact that once it arrives, storage is on you. Start by choosing a product that fits how you might use or sell your silver later. Coins often carry higher premiums than bars, but they can be easier to recognize and resell, which helps liquidity. For most beginners, 1-ounce pieces are a practical sweet spot because they're divisible without forcing you into tiny sizes. Before you buy, confirm you're getting a known product in stated condition, not random items that may be scratched or hard to move. To compare silver fairly, you have to break pricing into parts, then recombine it into a true per-ounce total. First, confirm what spot is based on, because pricing can reference slightly different feeds. Then separate the product premium from the metal value and do the math per ounce, not per item. Look for quantity price breaks that lower the per-ounce cost, and check how payment method changes pricing. Finally, confirm exactly when the price locks so you're not surprised. The checkout process matters because it controls both your final cost and your timeline. Creating an account usually speeds up checkout and order tracking, but the bigger lever is payment choice, since card, wire, and check pricing can differ. Your order doesn't really move until funds clear, so paid and shipped aren't the same thing. Before you click submit, verify the locked total and that shipping is fully insured, then expect fulfillment plus transit time. If your goal is simple silver exposure, don't pay for collector stories. Buy bullion and keep premiums predictable. Do the premium math between coins and bars because a few dollars per ounce adds up fast on larger orders. Track your cost basis by saving invoices, since that's how you measure profit later. Plan storage the same day it arrives, and only ship with full insurance. And remember the exit reality. The spread can hit you when you buy and again when you sell. If you don't know the bid-ask spread and your all-in per ounce total, you can overpay and never notice. The smart investor matches you to providers based on your goals and shows the real dollar cost difference over time. Free, takes about 3 minutes, and the link's in the description.